I'm Lizzy Do, and I'm a 2L. I was born here but was raised abroad, so in China and Vietnam, and came back for college and moved around between Texas and California and came back here for law school. So I actually worked in clinical research between college and law school. And while I was working, I worked closely with in-house counsel, which inspired me to make the jump and apply to law school. So for me, when I was looking at different law schools, I was really looking at cities that had a lot of opportunities, so bigger cities, and I knew Houston was one of them. And UH is just knowing that UH was very well connected with the community and had a great network, I was drawn towards UH. I definitely jumping from a completely different industry and into law. There was a lot of different challenges, but I think after just even looking back to my first year, now being in my second year, I've realized a lot of growth in terms of classes and then just also the different peers that I've met. And then the different opportunities to get involved on campus outside the classroom as well. For me, I think it's really been the opportunities to get involved outside of the classroom. I'm involved with the Asian Law Students Association. I also am involved in the Houston Journal of Health Law and Policy, and I've also had an opportunity to work with a clinic. And so I think those have been really rewarding in terms of being able to connect with my classmates and peers on in a different level outside of a classroom setting, and has really given me opportunities to interact with peers that I thought I would have never interacted with. I think this goes back to the student body and the people that I've met here. It truly is a diverse set of people, not only in terms of just ethnicity and cultural backgrounds, but also the different kinds of people that have different sorts of industry experience or who have come from just different educational backgrounds. I would say my favorite space would be the journal offices. I do spend quite a bit of time in the journal offices to study and then also just to get to know some of my fellow peers. Yeah, so my best piece of advice would probably to come in without any expectations. You don't know what you're going to run into at law school or the kind of people that you will run into, and then also the coming in without those expectations really gives you that chance to really look for different sorts of opportunities that you would have never thought you would have wanted to pursue.